Nutrition and Forestry to order.
For the first time in a decade, the U.S. Senate convened a committee hearing on biotechnology.
Over the past 20 years, agriculture biotechnology has become a valuable tool in ensuring the success of the American farmer in meeting the challenge of increasing yield in a more efficient, safe, and responsible manner.
The topics of genetic engineering, biotechnology, and genetically modified organism labeling drew the most attention. Senator Debbie Stabenow, ranking member of the committee, called on her colleagues to pass a GMO labeling bill by the end of the year that accomplishes three things.
First, a solution that addresses the problem of a 50-state patchwork of regulations. Second, a national system of disclosure and transparency for consumers who wish to know more about their food. And third, an approach that does not stigmatize biotechnology.
Currently, several states are entertaining bills that would mandate food labels for products containing genetically modified ingredients. Two other pieces of legislation have been proposed in Congress. GMO critics contend the modified crops are not fully tested or safe for consumption. And a few of those testifying felt consumers had a right to know what was in their food.
We strongly support a national GMO disclosure system that provides factual information. We do not support a warning or a disclosure system that renders a judgment on GMOs, and we are certainly not seeking a ban on GMO crops.
However, several witnesses reiterated the safety of already approved products.
They pose no greater risks than the conventional crops that are not genetically engineered. Dr. Main.
Similarly, the products that have been through our consultation process, we have determined are as safe as the conventional counterparts.
We have found in every one of the 117 deregulations that we have done that those plants are essentially no different in those regards than their conventional counterparts.
The Food and Drug Administration's director for the Center of Food Safety said through genomic testing they've better identified allergens in certain products.
Our process is rigorous, our process is thorough, and it's consistent with how we regulate food in general under the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act.
Senator Heidi Heitkamp, a North Dakota Democrat, questioned the public relations side of the topic, which created the most contentious exchange of the hearing.
All of you is how can you make the information that you utilize to make these determinations more accessible to the American public in a way that they understand and that they have confidence in the work that you've done?
That we as government can demonstrate that we're doing a responsible, effective job of making decisions.
Except what people hear is blah, 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 blah.
I know that.
And I think that's a serious problem.
Senator John Thune, a Republican, expressed concern the biotechnology debate may hamper trade, particularly in his home state.
Just like many other areas of regulatory overreach, future regulation of our biotech crops, especially regarding the approval process, could become much more cumbersome and complicated and send the wrong message to our trading partners overseas.